To set up contactless payments in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to enter connections right here, and then you can go to the NFC and contactless payments. You want to make sure that this option is enabled whenever you want to pay. After you acknowledge that, we can go into default wallet app. This will be the app where we store our cards that we pay with. So in this case, I'm going to go for Google Wallet app. If you want to go for Google Wallet as well, you will need to download it first from Google Play Store. So here in the search, look for Google Wallet app, and then download this specific app right here. You can of course go for any other app that is visible right here, or third-party apps that you can download as well. Just choose whichever one you like. The process of adding a card is almost identical. So if we open a Google Wallet right here that we're gonna go for, we can click on this plus button and go for a payment card. When you select payment card, you can fill up information about your card either by scanning it with your camera. Your camera feed opens right here. You can simply scan your card, or you can enter details manually. That way, if you enter those details, the card will be added, and after that, if you have that app selected in NFC options, you'll be able to pay with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.